We're unboxing this bitch right now. Please don't be 20 volumes of Rosario Vampire, please. Oh,
I'll take them if it's 20 volumes of Rosario Vampire.
I will burn them.
No!
Yes.
I'll burn them. I'll personally.
We'll burn them together.
No, I'll do it by myself. I'll burn them.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, what's in here?
Oh, what's that?
You're under arrest.
I'm going to jail!
$1! It's $1!
What the fuck is this, bro?
You're under arrest. Hang on, I want to see that.
Super duper sumo.
What the? Super duper sumo. Deep sushi. Thick boys.
Extras!
Basilisk. Hey, that's actually pretty good.
$4. That's a bargain.
Not bad. Mobile Suit Gundam. That's another pretty cool one.
Whoa!
Mobile Suit.
LR?
Whoa! Fancy lard? Lady? What is that?
Fancy
Lola.
Fancy
lard. You're under arrest again.
Oh my god.
This is a popular one, I guess.
I'm going to jail!
Is that Xbox?
Peacemaker. I've heard of this. This is a good one.
You're under arrest.
Tsubasa. What? I got Tsubasa. That's cool. Transmuya. All right.
Brother
Heard
man.
of this as well. Let the war begin. Never heard of it, but I got it.
Brother, I'm dying over here on my lap.
Happy Lesson.
What the?
Oh, that looks good.
Judah might be
Something
interested.
like that. Heat guy.
Heat
guy.
Hey.
Heat guy Jay.
yo.
Jay.
Shura no Toki.
Does it look good? It's $4.
Age
so
of Chaos. Hey,
I think they think it's good.
I think it's good.
You already gotten your money's worth.
Brigadoon. All right.
If you get an Elfin lead copy in there.
Oh, what?
I don't even know what this says. A Devil's Playground. It looks familiar.
Can you see that?
I've seen that around. That's some weird ass packaging.
Yeah.
Oh, Shura no Toki, Age of Chaos again? Is this the same DVD?
Oh my god.
Lol.
Oh.
Happy Lesson again.
Again? No,
Alright.
no Elfin lead yet.
Another Happy Lesson.
Oh my god.
Did you get all of them?
Expect the unexpected. Some Evangelion ripoff. I don't know.
So is that it?
That is it.
That is it.
I got a bunch of shit, bro.
Bunch of fucking happy
Happy lessons.
lessons.
I give it a 6.9 out of 10.